Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce chicken pasta. Start by boiling 8 Oz pasta until al dente, then saute garlic and cooked chicken briefly. Make a roux with 2 tablespoon butter and 2 tablespoon flour. Whisk in 2 cups milk until silky. Add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, season with 1/2 tsp salt and 1/4 tsp pepper, then combine with pasta and simmer. Garnish with parsley and serve warm. Gather your ingredients and prep before you start cooking to keep momentum. Shred the chicken and grate the Parmesan ahead of time, and chop garlic and parsley finely. Bring the pasta water to a rolling boil and salt it well to flavor the pasta. Keep the heat moderate when making the roux so the milk does not scorch, and taste for seasoning before serving. Enjoy. Start by boiling the pasta until al dente and set it aside, reserving a cup of pasta water. In the same pan, melt 2 tablespoon butter, saute garlic until fragrant, then add shredded chicken to warm. Whisk a roux of 2 tablespoon flour into the butter, slowly add 2 cups milk and stir until the sauce thickens nicely. Combine sauce with pasta, add 1/4 cup Parmesan and a splash of pasta water if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.